What is happening, van builders? It's Scott from Vandingo. Great to have you back to the channel. We got a sunny day here in Texas and time to get after the van a little bit. So you can see in the background there is some cardboard that has been used to build templates for a refrigerator as well as a shower. So I'll share with you what I'm doing to get a visual of the layout of the van. Also, we've got a little bit of a surprise here. It just came in the mail. Just showed up from FedEx today. We'll do some unboxing and I'll share that with you as well. Let's get after it. Okay, just as a reminder, my van's got a dual slider setup, right? So as we jump into the van here, by the way, this oscillating tool is phenomenal for cutting cardboard. I would recommend it. Here is the cardboard shower. And I've got a custom pan coming together that's going to support this. This custom pan is currently made out of cardboard, but it will be built from stainless steel from Killarney Metals, which is a web-based specialty metals supplier. I've been having good conversations with them. This actually says 1.5 inches. It'll be a 2-inch round drain hole here with a 3-inch drop that will be also custom fabricated into the drain pan. So this is a 36th width by 28 is the measurements I put together, and then notched this out where there is a support structure for the van, and then put the walls together with cardboard. I gotta tell you, you go to your local bike shop if you want to do something like this for your van, and you'll find plenty of really long pieces of cardboard. So you can see, built out of bike boxes, which works great. And just using some tape, you can get a sense for what this looks like. So, and I'm gauging the amount of space I have here for where the refrigerator will go. My vision right now is that the galley will be here. Bed starts right here. And the bed right now, as we sit here today, is going to be built up on these L tracks. And I'm still working on the subfloor. I'm going to add a little bit more to that today. Given we wanted a full sort of luxurious shower, and that's a pretty good sized shower, it does compromise the space walking by. We're going to have this refrigerator with the door able to pull out this direction or this direction, actually doesn't matter. So we have easy access to it while we're driving. But across the top of it will be butcher block counter space all the way back, and we'll have sink, and or maybe don't have this clear yet, maybe the grill there, and then sink here, and then some more room with a flip out going that direction, because I've already got them in the garage, seat swivels for both of these seats. And I did pick up recently, which I think that's a trash bin for use on the road, and here is a organizer from Nightfall Overland, some good folks out of Durango, Colorado, and that they are also the ones that made what's in there. Let's take a look. All right, let's see what we got here. These are supposed to be here a little earlier than today, but the big snowstorm hit the country, created all kinds of havoc, slowed things down. Let's go on the end here. Wow, that's pretty fancy. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 stuffed in there, organized nicely. Now, what would that be? That looks to be like a window screen. And another one. And then 2 more. These look like rear windows. Ah, let's check these out. Let's get this other one open. Another nice bag. Yeah. So in here, this looks like that's definitely the front window. And these look like the door windows. Yeah, let's check those out. These are cool. Very cool. And you see that on the left-hand side, or I should say the passenger side, has got a red tab. Driver's side got a black tab. The magnets work great. Cool pattern. I gotta compliment Nightfall Overland. Nice work. Both sliders fit really nice. And we've got driver's side roll down window. Of course, that front with 2 suction cups, which really helps. And then passenger side roll down window. Really good. Now, clearly, I must have jacked the order up, so I got to get that covered. Plus, I got to figure out what I do with these bunk windows. Unfortunately, Nightfall Overland didn't have a fitment for those bunk windows. And I have to solve that because I want every window covered. More to work on there for sure. So I got all the remaining aluminum 1x that I think I need. And because I'm going to use 80/20 to frame up the shower walls on the outside, we got this longer 1x here to handle that extra support necessary over on that far side. And I got to cut these pieces to fit the shower pan, order up the shower pan, get the insulation cut. And I've got 2 here now because my vision right now is that the refrigerator is going to sit out here, out on the wings a little bit into this slider area. And I thought that 1x support would be really helpful. And then got the rest of the supports there. So those are from Home Depot. I did special order on some of these. The stuff that's in the back, it's a little bit thicker wall, 1x1 by 1/8, I believe. And the stuff from Home Depot's 1x1 by 1/16. But I'm thinking the Home Depot stuff is fully strong enough to handle the subfloor. So we're gonna get rolling on the insulation and prepared to start making the cutouts for the plywood that's going to go down. Hey, thanks for joining me for sort of van palooza. There was a bunch of stuff going on here. In addition to the cardboard cutouts, we put up the blackout screens on the windows. Need to order a few more. We got the supports down for the subfloor. I'm going to title this one subfloor number 2. I think there's probably going to be subfloor number 3 to get this thing fully finished. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Good to be with you. If you like what you're seeing here, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Any comments, please put them in the comments section and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Bye-bye. Be good.